Hello everyone, welcome back to 4th Generation Renovation. I thought I'd do a quick video today just on cutting the opening for the pantry door and installing the new door frame. So I almost forgot about you guys and didn't get the camera out, so sorry about that. So I quickly got the camera out and before I went too far. So I'm just taking off this architrave here and going to remove this, and then I'll just cut this up to that line there and bring it down, and I should be able to just slip the door frame straight into there. So quick and easy job, this one. So there you have it, guys. Cut the hole and slip the frame straight in there. So once again, it's a matter of measuring accurately and it will go straight into place. So it was 700 wide. I made the frame 2 mil smaller and it slipped straight in. Easy as that. While I was up there mucking around, we've got a temporary power cable going to the NBN that we've got in the pantry. So I just tucked that up and over the arch so it wasn't laying on the ground just for the moment. I will run a cable down there and put a power point in there shortly. When I say shortly, I mean in the next week or so. So now I can make the door to the pantry and we can lock that all away. So I want to start tidying all this up. So for my birthday party in 6 weeks, it's looking pretty tidy, not like a work site. So that's about all this video was for, just to show you a quick thing of cutting a hole in the wall and putting a door frame in there. Quite a simple job, and once you get that door frame in there, you'd never know that it used to be a wall. So yes, it was a door frame, but a door originally, but it was a smaller door. So it's the same as just putting a door where there used to be a wall. So exact same process. Mark it, cut the gyprock out, expose the framework, cut the frame and slip the new frame in there. So yeah, piece of cake. So I've got to get some rosettes to put on there. So I'll go and get them at a later date. And then I'll put a bit of gyprock up and across the top to finish that all off. And that'll make it nice and tidy. And I've got some of this paint somewhere, so I'll try and locate that. And then I might even just paint it so it looks like we'd never modified anything for all the visitors. So the pantry will come later. I'm not going to stress myself out with finishing the pantry, but before my party I might tidy it up so that if people want to poke their head in there and have a look, it's not just rubbish in there. So I'll sort that out. So that's, I did paint the arch last night just to tidy things up a bit. So I painted that. Yeah, just trying to tidy things up. So I'm going to sit down in a minute and do some more work on the LED light panel for the main bedroom. But that'll do for this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching that. It's just a little video on, it's a wham bam, thank you ma'am kind of situation. So yeah, that'll do. And thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. Before I go, I should mention that transom up there is going to be fly wire. I think I've mentioned this once before, but I wanted to keep it so all the doors look the same right throughout the house. The toilet, bathroom, ensuite, all that will have the same thing. And I'll have LED light in all of those panels, except for this one that's going to be fly wire, just to get some ventilation so that, we don't get strong smells building up inside the pantry. I don't actually know why that mesh was up there. I don't think you really need it. I mean, you don't have it when you have a pantry cupboard, do you? So whatever the reason, I'm putting it back in there just because I wanted to have the transom, and it would be silly to have a glass panel up there on a pantry. So I think that'll look cool in the end. So yeah, just thought I'd mention that.
Never thought a love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I. Life changes as we know it. You do what you can, you just get